turning off the remote control. Nothing is happening. But can I use the button to return back, or shall I turn on the remote control again? Let me try to turn on the remote control again. And it's not connected. I cannot reconnect my remote control, so I'll have to use the buttons on the screen. Confirm the return back. So we confirm the return back. Now it should return back. And yes, it's coming back. Approaching, I can hear the sound now. Here I have a lot of rocks. It should not land on the stones because it will break down. I have a lot of gaps here that have to touch. I'll try to reconnect with the remote control. Actually, I have the connection now. I'm trying to control it with the remote control, and it's actually working now. So it's reconnected. And we're back.